Sony is back with another entry with its LinkBuds lineup. The Sony LinkBuds clips represents for Sony open ear lineup. They are lightweight, IPX4 rated, and come in vibrant colors like green and lavender. Launched as a direct competitor to the Bose Ultra Open. It features the air-fitting cushion. Sony includes thinner silicone pads that stabilize the buds against the helix of the air. This makes them exceptionally comfortable for long shifts or workouts. The sound is surprisingly balanced, while you won't get deep. Sony's AI voice pickup and bone connection sensors make these some of the best in class for phone calls, even in breezy environments. Battery life: 9 hours of battery, 37 total with the case, and multi-point connectivity. There are a workhorse for commuters and athletes. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.